This is Max Williams with United Real Estate, and today I'm in North Richmond. Today we're going to take a look at a 4-bedroom, 3-bath home. This home built in 1910, located here in a block with other renovated homes. We've got a good number of them that have already been done, a few that will probably be done here in the near future, and a couple of vacant lots here in the block. We really see a lot of activity here in Northside with renovations. This home I actually showed a few months back as a before example. A really nice agent in my office undertook this project, and it is now complete. I'm excited to see what it looks like. Just yesterday, I had the opportunity to attend and to photograph a event for Partnership for the Future. It was their graduation and 25th anniversary program. The organization is a nonprofit, and their mission is to work with college-bound students to make sure that they are indeed college-bound, that they have the skills, knowledge, techniques necessary to succeed. They also have a component of the program which works with getting them paid internships and just a bunch of support that goes along with that. I did have the privilege of meeting one of the staffers for that organization, and come to find out she's a loyal viewer, and a little shout out to her. I'm not going to call her name because I don't have permission to do so, but I really was given a warm welcome, and I appreciate that. When we think about college-bound children, we also think about one of the main problems that we have in our society today, and that is rising college student loan debt. I was thinking, and I said, there is a simple way that debt could be reduced. Obviously, one of the biggest expenses for college students is, of course, room and board. Imagine this scenario for me for one moment. Imagine if the parent went in with the child, bought a home, and it could be a single family home, it could be a 1 to 4 unit, that could be a duplex, a triplex, or a 4-unit building, and they turned around, Junior stayed in one of those rooms or in one of those units, and then rented the others out. It would not be very difficult for that student to live rent-free, so to speak, because the other individuals that are renting would pay for the debt service, the mortgage, the taxes, the insurance, all of those things pretty easily. Now, last year I mentioned that Richmond enjoyed a 7+% appreciation in real estate values. Let's round that down and say that the appreciation was 4%. And let's say you bought a home that was $300,000. $300,000 would equate to a $10,500 down payment, and it would also mean that under 4% appreciation, that home would go up in value. $300,000 home would go up in value $12,000 per year, or $1,000 a month. Now, not only is Junior living rent-free, but also the net worth of the family is going up $1,000 a month. Now, at the end of 3 years, before any expenses of selling the property, that's a $36,000 addition to that family's net worth. Imagine if they sold the property and then took that money and then just threw it right at that student loan debt to knock it out. Or if there was no debt, go ahead, and that's a car, that's a down payment easily for Junior to get into a home of his own. And you didn't really do anything special to get that increase in net worth other than smartly purchase real estate in order to facilitate a couple things. Obviously, a place for Junior to live, and secondly, to build net worth. So I use that as an example. Our basement goes right down there. We're not going to go down there, though. I use that as an example of how real estate can help solve problems. So if you know someone that has children, whether they be college-bound right now or in the future, that may be something to consider. The qualifications are just simply credit score. If a Junior doesn't have a whole lot of income, that's why we use the parents to help supplement that income in order to qualify. The lenders will also use rental income or projected rental income on a 2, 3, or 4 unit building to help the family qualify. So it's just a really, really smart move all the way around. Okay, we're in the trunk room. This is the common bedroom in these older homes. That's typically the smallest bedroom. Often it'll be on the front of the home, and it makes a good nursery or home office. This, of course, is bedroom number 2. All of these bedrooms, new carpet, new paint, nice big, big windows. A lot of light does flow into these homes. And I'm really glad that she was able to salvage 4 bedrooms out of this home. A lot of these north side renovations, they are only able to get 3. So if you needed 4 bedrooms, this might be a smart move. Directly across, this is going to be our hall bath. We've got tile on the floor and new vanity, new fixtures. Now the feature I really like about this master, a couple features that I really like about this master. Number 1 is we have a walk-in closet with plenty of natural light. I know I'm not the only one that has gotten up in the morning, put on 2 socks which appear to be black, and then get out in public and realize that one of them is actually navy blue, and now I'm walking around looking like a clown. Natural light, good natural light will alleviate that, so you'll never have that issue again. Okay, directly across, this is going to be our master bath. One of the big benefits of a rehab in these older homes is when they were built, they didn't really do master bathrooms, so you had to share a hall bath with the other bedrooms. So that's a beautiful thing. Not only do you get the character of these older homes, but you get a modern floor plan as well. Okay, we're going to pop out back here. This is my other favorite feature of this home. I've got a beautiful balcony here off the bedroom. So if you're up at night and you can't sleep, you need to grab some air, this is a great place to do it. We've got a nice big backyard here. You can see it's fenced all the way around. So if you've got 4-legged friends, you can just let them out here and they can do their thing. Just a really well done renovation in a very popular and growing area. Okay, if you have questions about this or any other home in the market, my name is Max Williams. It would be my honor to help. If you know someone that has a teenager or a college student and this may be an option for them, please send them my way. I'd be happy to discuss all the possibilities with them in order to make a good decision. Max Williams, 804-402-7788. I can be reached on Facebook under Richmond Area Foreclosures, on YouTube under my name, Max Williams Realtor. Be sure to please like, subscribe, and comment. Thanks so much for taking a tour. Have a great day.